Hello, guys. Today we are going to read a new story. So take out your workbook, please, on page 4. Ready? Okay. The name of the story is Stanley's Super Spacecraft. Before we read the story, I'm going to give you some recommendations. I need you to take a pencil or use your finger to follow the story. Okay? Listen carefully. Go. Stanley Super Spacecraft. In the year 2099, every child on Earth had his or her own spacecraft. Of course, they were small and couldn't travel out of the solar system. This was fine for everyone except Stanley. He was curious about the whole universe, so he worked on his spacecraft until it could go anywhere. His friends George and Amanda were not excited about Stanley's super spacecraft. Who wants to see the universe? George asks. Our solar system is big enough. That's true, agreed Amanda. Yesterday I went shopping on Mars and then flew around some asteroids for fun. I even chased a comet. Just hopping, said Stanley. Today I will take you on an amazing journey. They got into Stanley's spacecraft. Soon the three friends were flying past the moon. Now, watch this, said Stanley. He pushed a red button. Shoo! Went the spacecraft. George and Amanda grabbed their seats tightly and looked out the window. The sun was just a speck of light. Around it were billions of stars in the shape of a disk. That's our Milky Way galaxy, said Stanley. He pressed the blue button. Whoosh! The spacecraft flew farther into space. Suddenly, they saw billions of tiny galaxies all around them. Welcome to the universe, said Stanley. Amanda gasped, I will remember this day forever. Thank you, Stanley. It's amazing, Stanley. Thank you, George said. Can we stop at the moon for a pizza on our way back? I'm really hungry. Of course, said Stanley. His super spacecraft raced back to the moon. Okay. Do you like the story, guys? What pictures, what pictures did you make in your mind about the story? Look at the picture. Here we have the three friends. This is Stanley, this is George, and this is Amanda. And this is Stanley's super spacecraft. Would you like to travel to the universe in a spacecraft? Yes? Okay. So in the story, the three friends went to the universe, right? And tell me, what did they see first? What did they see first? They saw excellent. They saw billions of stars in the shape. And then, what else? What did they see there? The Milky Way galaxy too, when he pressed the blue button. Okay? And suddenly they saw billions and billions of tiny galaxies around of them. Okay? And finally, they stopped to the moon. To what? to buy some pizza. Okay, they bought some pizza. Okay, guys. Now, here we have a question at the top of the page, and it says, what does Stanley do with George and Amanda? What does Stanley do with George and Amanda? Stanley invite his friends to go to the universe. Okay? Yes. When you finish to read, if it is necessary, read again the story to complete the question in this page. When you finish, go to the next page and complete comprehension exercise. Okay? Read carefully all the instructions for each exercise and do it. If it is necessary, go back to the story again on page 4 and find the answers there. Okay? In this exercise, you are going to remember the words in context. Do you remember the meaning of the words in context? Yes? Okay. Use them for this exercise. The words in context are vast, dual, specs, and disk. You can use too your dictionary to find the meaning. Okay? So that's all for today. See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.